Hello class. Every once in a while you want to make a fancy drawing and you want to have rays of sunlight coming out to sort of enhance the atmosphere. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'll actually turn off that's this layer right here. We can see it. I'm going to turn it off to show you how to do it. So actually the first thing I'm going to do is just take your whole image wherever it's at. I'm going to flatten it entirely because I need my image sort of in a black and white mode in its entirety. So I got lots of layers, so I'm just going to go to Layer, Flatten Image. Don't worry, we'll rescue it here in a second as well. So scroll down, in my case, all the way there. Flatten Image, Discard Hidden Layer. Sure, why not? Got one layer. Okay, got one layer. A little scary, but I'm just going to select everything. Control A, copy, Control C. Now it's in my clipboard, so I'm just going to undo a few steps to get all the way back to my layers. And I'm going to go to the very top, or wherever you want to put your layer, and then paste it back in. And we can see I've got a layer right here that's just a flattened version of everything. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up to Image, Adjust, Threshold. We can see it turns black and white. And what you want to do is you want to sort of get a good setting or balance of blacks and whites in it. So I think there's it's a bit black in my image, so if I take it down I can get some more white spots in here, somewhere around there, and we'll just say OK, and we'll get it set this way. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Image or Filter, Blur, Gauss, Radial Blur, Blur, Radial Blur. Now the key is to set it. Yours is probably going to come in as a default more like in the center. What you want to do is you want to pull all the way up to the corner, and you want to set your amount to basically 100, and you want to change your blur method to zoom. And we can see when we do that, we start to get lines of what's going to happen here. And we'll just say OK. It might take a second to render this. There we go. And we can see now I just got a layer of black and white lines, which looks sort of like sun rays, and it's blocking out everything below. So what I'll just do is, you want to change your blending mode. I think screen will work in this case. Boom, and there we go. We've got some sun rays. Again, in this case, very bright. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to come back here and turn down my opacity to set them to the level and strength that you want. And there you go. That's how easy it is to do sort of sun rays. I think they're called corpusculars or something like that scientifically, or crepuscular. I don't know. I can't say. Sun rays, that's what we know them by. I don't know why I try to embarrass myself like that when I can do it so easily by making drawings. All right, everyone, have fun and make great drawings.